Not sure which train this is. 3 standard CNs. Out here in the snowstorm. Easter Monday. Easter Monday holiday. Yesterday was Easter Sunday, but we celebrated the holiday on Monday. Trying not to get the corners of the windows. I'm in my vehicle. If I get too close to the window, I'll get a snow flake on the lens, and that'll be it for the video. Oh, this looks like, I just noticed it looks like it's a 274. Unless I see some other cars on there, it will be. Sounds like there's a train going behind it. Yep, CSX is going right behind it. I'm going the other way. I just seen the CSX engines just go by. It's a bummer. Like to have gotten that. Lots of nice graffiti. Another nice character art. I think I've seen 4 or 5 of them already. Should have been counting. This is 274. If it's 274. Looks like it is. Another character art. I'll have to go over this video afterwards and take a look. The 7's the most I've ever seen on a train. And it was this train, 274. Oh, wait. Tankers? Alright. Oh, I must take that back then. Might not be the 274. I'll have to listen to the radio. If I'm not sure, I don't post the number. I just post the engine numbers. You can still see CSX going by behind it. CSX will be an all tanker train. Maybe some hoppers, but yeah, this is not the, can't be the 274. Now you can see the other train going to the other direction behind it. Oh, and there's the end of it. Not this one, but the CSX. It was a short one today. I'll have to get the radio on afterwards. Turn it off when I'm in here filming if it's raining or snowing, because don't want that yipping off in the background. Like the other couple of videos that I posted earlier in this, if you're watching a long video, I was filming it outside the VIA station, and all you can hear is that announcer thing going off. Not going there anymore. Thought it would be good. Overhang, keep out of the snow, but you're right under the speakers. Here comes the end. In a few. It's really uncomfortable holding a certain position I'm in right now to get it without getting the window frame in the picture. Alright. Don't forget to hit that subscribe.